Bigfoot's nose smells juice.
Hiker's Hall for the win.
Creed Aventus. This sillage slays.
Got a musk up for the fans.
Come along, fam, let's hide this banger.
My horde awaits.
Feast on my collection of colognes.
Stole this from a camper. Thought it'd woo a lady Bigfoot, but she threw a pine cone at me. Oof. I stare 'em here to macerate. No sunlight, no moisture. This one gets me compliments. Musky perfection.
You smell amazing. What's that scent?
It's Bigfoot's secret. Wanna share?
This one guarantees the Squatch.
You smell amazing.
Like and subscribe, Squatches. Stay musky, fam. I'm out.